سڵاوتان لەبێ کتابی ئازیزەکانی گرید 4 هیوام وایە هەمووتان تەندروستیتان زۆر باش بێ و سەلامەت بن و بتوانن زۆر بە باشی خۆتان بپارێزن لە پەتای کۆرۆنا ڤایرۆس و سەرجەم ڕێمایە تەندروستیەکان جێبەجێ بکەن. خوێندکار ئازیزەکانم، ئێمە کە لە قوتابخانە بووین کۆتا ڕۆژمان یونتی 8مان تەواو کرد، واتە ئەمڕۆ لە یونتی 9ەوە دەست پێکەین. بۆیە هیوادارم ئێوەش وەکو من بتوانن کلاس بووکەکانتان دەربێنن، دەفتەرەکانتان و وەربووکەکانتان بە هەمان شێوە، لەبەری بۆ وانەی ئەمڕۆمان تەنها پێویستمان بەو سێ کتێب و دەفتەرە ئەبێ: class book, workbook and your notebooks. As you see, as usual, at the beginning of each section or unit, we have to learn some new vocabularies. Okay, the vocabularies for today, they are about audio and visual entertainment. What it means that audio واتە ئەو شتانی کە ئێمە بە گوێمان ئەیویستین، باشە؟ بۆ نمونە بەرنامەیەک ئێمە لە رادیۆ گوێمان لێبێ. ئۆکەی. visual واتە ئەوانەی کە ئێمە بتوانین بە چاومان بیبینین. بۆ نمونە جۆرەها پرۆگراممان هەیە، جۆرەها بەرنامانێک کە ئەتوانین لە تەلەڤیزیۆن سێریکەین. و هەروە entertainment it means lecture, it means وتار یاخود با بڵێن ئەو بابەتانەی کە ئێمە بتوانین لە ڕێگەی بیستنمان و یاخود لە ڕێگەی بینینمانەوە بیان بینین. واتە audio visual entertainment. This is the title for these words. And we have some words. There are cartoon, radio, camcorder, the news, documentary, channel, advert, remote control, TV program, and the last one is mobile phone. So we will practice together. We have some flashcards as you see. I'm going to explain each word for you. Okay? We have to learn the meaning, then the spelling for this word. After that, we will use this word in a sentence, or you can define the word. Okay? You can define the word as well. Okay? So now let's practice on the flashcards. Dear students, the first word we have cartoon. Okay? If you see, you have to learn the spelling. Cartoon. Okay? C-A-R-T-O-O, and you have to learn the spelling because the spelling is very important. Okay, when you want to learn a vocabulary, then the pronunciation, cartoon. Okay, you have to practice. Cartoon, it means something, it's like an animation, short film. Okay, you know what I mean, cartoon. We have Tom Jerry cartoon, we have SpongeBob, we have a lot of cartoons. La كردي لا يخوم علين فيلم cartoon. Okay, وشي cartoon لا هاتوا. باشە گوڵی من واتە پرۆگرامێکە، تیڤی پرۆگرامێکە یاخود بابەتێکی ئەنیمەیشنیە کە بۆ ئێوەی مناڵی جوان ئێوە ئەتوان بۆ خۆتان چێژی لێ ببینن. Okay, so this is the first word, cartoon. And if you see, we have Tom and Jerry cartoon, we have SpongeBob, we have a lot of cartoons. The second word, we have radio. Okay, how can you read this word? Radio. Okay, radio, R-A-D-I-O. This is the spelling for this word. Okay, radio, you can say it's an audio machine. واتا أمريكا كأما تتوانين تنهبا للرقي دنقو واتا audio visual نيا ناتواني بمرة كان ببين تنها أتوانين جمع لبه. So it's a audio machine. Okay, it's an audio machine as you see in the picture, and we have a lot of types, a lot of size. Okay, so this is radio. Okay, radio. Next word, we have camcorder. Okay, camcorder, it's just a camera. Here in Kurdistan we'll say camera, but camcorder, it's a type of camera when you want to record a film. Okay, a short film or a movie, something like that. بۆ نمونە ئێوە ئەچن بۆ سەیران بۆ پیکنیک لەگەڵ خێزانەکانتان ئەتوان کامکۆردەرێک بەرن، ئەویش بە هەمان شێوە جۆرەها سایز و شێوەی هەیە، ئەتوانن ئێوە بۆ خۆتان لەوێ ئەو جەوە خۆشەی کە وەریەگرن لە ڕێگەی کامکۆردەرێکەوە ڕیکۆردیکەن. باشە گوڵی من یاخو با بڵێن ئەو پرۆگرامانێک کە لە تەلەڤیزیۆن ئێمە ئەیبینین هەمووی لە ڕێگەی کامکۆردەرەوە ڕیکۆرد کراوە و دواتر لە تیڤی لە ڕێگەی پرۆگرامەکانەوە ئێمە ئەتوانین بیبینین. So camcorder, you can say it's a camera. It can record films or short films, something like that. Okay, so it's camcorder. After that, we have the news. Okay, the news. This is the word, the news. Okay, if you see the word itself is plural, the news. Okay, مبانی أول new به اسي شو بده چون اگر new به أو كاتا adjective, it means it's the opposite of old. But the word is news. Okay? So the news is this the word. قولي من news أتواني أيش بلين TV programmeka أتواني بابتي politically man people مثلا social news أتواني لرجي أو بابت لرجي أو برنامج وابو إمرونا كاتوا لسرتاسري الدنيا روجانة شيرو أدا ياخذ بونونا أجابا كنالا كله كليبه لأنه أخوي أو شارع ياخذ أولاته شيرو أدا لرجي أو program او كاويش ناوي news. News it means هوالو زانيارا كان بو ام اگوازن اگر دقت به الاستدا بهوی كورونا فيروس او زوريني چانالا كان بون بچي هميان نيوسن همو سري كاجمرك اوكي چي ما بيلت جورها نيوزي تازه ما بيلت درباري كورونا فيروس درباري او كساني كتوش ابن ياخد چابونتو. So this is the news. After that we have documentary. Okay? Documentary. دڵنیام لەوەی کە زۆرینەتان گوێتان لەم وشەیە بووە National Geographic Channel. Okay? گوێتان لەم چاناڵە بووە لەم کەناڵە بووە کە ئەویش چییە؟ ئەم کەناڵە عادەتەن ئەو پرۆگرامانەی کە هەیە یەمیان documentary. What does mean documentary? Documentary, it means when you record something like, for example, like animals living, how the animals can live in, or even it should be wild animals or mammal animals or all of the types of insects, something like that. Or sometimes it's about human beings' life. Okay? What a documentary. What am shta am program am babata صد لصد لواقعيتي لراستي جياني أو أجلانو ياخد أو كسانو يعني راستو خو بابتا كان ريكورد أكرينو بشاني اما ادرس سو اما دوكيومنتري واتە زانیاریەکی دروست و ڕاستە وەکو فیلمێک نییە فیلمێکی ئاکشن بێ و دروست کرابێ. باشە گوڵی من هیواداریشم زۆربەتان کە بتوان سێری کەناڵی National Geographic بکەن چونکە بەتایبەتی ئەو بابەتانەی کە دەربارەی ئانیمەڵسن بۆ دەرسی ساینسان زۆر ئەتوانن سوودی لێ ببینن. So the word is documentary when you record human beings life or animals life, something like that. Okay? Documentary واتە شتی ڕاستین ڕاستە و خۆ ریکۆرد ئەکرێن. After that, we have channel. Channel, in Kurdish, we will say kanal. Okay, we have a lot of Kurdish channels like NRT, Kurdsat, Ava. We have a lot of channels in Kurdistan. Basha guliman, wata kanal, wata o kanali katubut wani TV program kani lewa bibinin. So in Kurdish, we'll say kanal, but in English, the word, it comes from the English word. In English, we'll say channel, but in Kurdish, we'll say kanal. So I hope you to use this word. It's channel, not canal. Basha guliman. And that's it. And the spelling is CH, which is gives you sound ch, ANNEL, channel. Okay, this is the word. The next word, we have advert. I'm sure about that. Most of you heard this word, but in another word. Advert. Advert. Okay, advert. The word is advert. Agar seri picture kapkain, it's written by now. Okay, wata estawaro او شتێک ئەتەوێ بیکڕە. گوڵی من ئێمە لە کوردستان لای خۆمان زیاتر بە وشەی ڕیکلام ئاشناین. ئێمە کە ئەگەر سەری فیلمێ بکەین یاخو سەری تیڤی پرۆگرامێک بکەین یاخو سەری شۆوێ بکەین لە نیوەی تیڤی پرۆگرامەکەیە قەت ئەیکی تێکەوێ واتە چییە کاتی ڕیکلامە یاخو پێمانڵێت ئێستا ڕیکلامێک وەرەگرین و دێنێ وڵاتان. So advert something like that. Okay? وەکو ڕیکلامکردنێ کە تۆ بانگەشە بۆ شتێک ئەکەیت. So it is advert. Okay? Advert. After that, we have remote control. Remote control. I am sure about that. All of you use this thing and you have it at home, okay? Because by using this small thing, you can turn on and turn off your TV, or you can use it when you want to change the channel. Awata amatia controller, like mali control her. It comes from remote control, but I hope you use this word from now. It's remote control. Because the word control, it has another meaning when you control somebody, something like that. But remote control, wata amera bchuka. Basha guliman, katubit wani, kanala kaype, bagorit. Remote control. Next word, we have TV program. TV program. If you see, this program is about food, how can you prepare, how can you cook delicious food. And also in Kurdistan we have this program like this. We have some program like this, like Yes Chef program. Okay, Guliman. TV program همو أو جورة programاني كأما بتوانين لتلفزيون سيريكين. جورة هاد program من هي. باشه قولي من يكتب لو أنا برنامج يا شفا برنامج أفينجن وجيانا جورها برنامج تلمعني اللي همو تنالا كانوا برنامج تابتي خواننا نفسه تي في برنامج أو برنامج ياخذ بابل أو بابة الريكورد كلاوية كيما أتوانين سيريكين كأيش للرجيتي أو ريكورد كلاو camcorder هموش تكان relating بيكتر these words are there's a connection there's a relationship between these words okay هموش تكان بينديان بيكوا هي بابة تكان. The last word, we have mobile phone, the thing that you like to get it. Okay, I'm sure about that. And I think most of you have your own mobile phone. Mobile phone, it's mobile phone. Because also when we use a Kurdish word, you'll say mobile. Mobile, it's mobile. So mobile phone, it's a technological machine. You can call somebody, you can send a text for that person, you can use it when you want to use internet, something like that. Students, if you see on my notebook, you have to practice like this as we did before when we were at school. So first you have to write down, you have to move it to a new page, of course. You have to write down Unit 9, page 68, okay? Words, you can write down class book as well, okay? Words. So the title for this word is audio visual entertainment, as I told you. So you have to write down, you have to repeat the word till the middle of the page, and you have to put this space, okay, to write down your sentences. We have sentence A and sentence B, but sentence A is for me because I'm going to write down the sentence for you. Then you have to add your own sentences on B, okay, in this space. I'm going to skip this space for you to write down your own sentences for each word, okay? You have to do this for each word. But I did just like, it will be like an example for you, okay, to remember. And I know that you can to do it because we did before when we were at school. So it's the same thing. And also you have to underline the words. Sorry, I forgot, you have to underline the words, okay? But I wrote by pen. It's optional. If you want to write down by pen, you can just only write down the title or the word, okay? But please don't write down the sentences by pen because maybe you are going to do a mistake. So at this time you can't erase it, but if you write down by your pencil, you can erase it. So that's it, okay? And for the rest of the words, I'm going to write down the sentences on the whiteboard. So let's practice on the whiteboard, okay? Dear students, as I told you, so let's practice on the whiteboard. Unit 9, page 68, words. The title is Audio and Visual Entertainment, okay? Audio and Visual Entertainment. This is the title for the words that we practice for now. So I wrote the words. You see, for each word I wrote a sentence, okay, as I told you. So B, I skipped this space for you to write down your own sentences like me. It doesn't need to write down a very long sentence, okay? You can just write down a simple or a short sentence, okay? So the first word on the book was cartoon. So I wrote the sentence, it's cartoon time, so let us watch it together. It's cartoon time, so let us watch it together. I told somebody, because it's cartoon time, so let's watch together, and I underlined the word cartoon, okay, because it means that I put this word into a sentence. So B, it's for yourself, like me, write down a sentence and use this word in your sentence. B, we have radio. Could you turn off the radio, please? Okay, could you turn off the radio, please? I told somebody to turn off the radio, please. Maybe the radio bothered me, so I told that person, could you turn off the radio, please? Okay, that's it. And you have to add your sentence for radio, and I underlined the word radio as well. The third word we have camcorder. I used my camcorder to record the film. I used my camcorder to record the film. If you see in the sentence, I underline this word, okay? Then B is for yourself. I don't like to translate these sentences to Kurdish because the sentences, they are very easy. So I hope you to get it. Okay? Guliman, pay attention. Next word we have the news. Okay, the news. We talked about that, what is in the news. So I wrote this sentence for you. I heard the news. I heard the news and we must stay at home. Okay? I heard the news. I underlined the word news because I put this word in a sentence. And we must stay at home. So it's time to stay at home because of coronavirus. So that's why I wrote this sentence. And every time you hear in the news that we should stay at home, okay, to protect ourselves. So B is for yourself to put the word into a sentence. Next word we have documentary. Documentary, okay. She watched a documentary and it was about lions living. She watched, it's the past sentence because we have ed on the verb, okay. She watched, it's a regular verb by the way, watch. She watched a documentary and it was about lions living. So I underlined the word documentary. It was about lions living. So you have to add your sentence, sorry. So B, it will be for yourself. Another word, we have channel. Okay, we have channel. I asked somebody, what is your favorite channel? I mean, which channel do you prefer? Which one is your favorite? Because as I mentioned, we have a lot of channels, okay? International channels or local channels. But I asked somebody, what is your favorite channel? I mean, which one do you prefer? So the news, documentary channel. B, here you have to write down your own sentences. So after channel, we have adverb. We have adverb, okay? As I told you, adverb, it means when you comment about something, okay? Me and my dad love adverts. It means me and my dad, we like to watch adverts. So me and my dad love adverts. Adverts, I put this S, so there it's a plural, okay? Next word we have remote control. Remote control. I can't find the remote control. Can you help me please? I asked someone because I lost the remote control. So I asked somebody to help me to find out the remote control. So if you see, I underlined this word because I put this word into a sentence. Next we have TV program. Okay. Did you see the new TV program last night? This sentence is about past or it's in the past tense. Did you see the new TV program last night? So it means that last night, okay, there was a new TV program and I asked somebody if he or she could see this program or not, okay? So B is for yourself and I underline this word, TV program. The last word, we have mobile phone, okay? My friend has got a smart mobile phone. My friend has got a smart mobile phone. My friend has got a smart mobile phone. So I underline this word, mobile phone. You know what this means, smart, okay? And that's all. So now let's move to the workbook. So on page 64 you have homework, okay, which is about unit 9 if you look. So we have 2 exercises. The first exercise says read and circle the word. Here we have 10 definitions for each word, okay, because we learned 10 words. So you have to know the definition, it's about which word, then you have to look for the word here, okay, around this monitor, then try to find the correct word and draw a circle around it. The next exercise, write using the words above. It means that when you find out the words here, you have to put the words into this space. You have to complete the space of writing, okay? you have to put the correct word into the correct space. Okay, and that's all about our lesson for today. قولي من پێم خۆش شتێکی ترتان پێ بڵم ئێوەی ئازیز ئەتوانن هۆموەرکەکەتان واتە ئەم پێیجە کاتێکە بابەتەکەتان بە تەواوەتی خوێند و سەعیتان تیا کرد ئەتوانن ڕسمی هۆموەرکەکە واتە ڕسمی ئەم پێیجە بگرن ئێوە لە پێیجی مارگرێت لە پێیجی فەرمی مارگرێت لە فەیسبوک داینن من ئەتوانم بیبینم و چێکی کەم لەوێ بۆتان بە هیوای ئەوەم هەمووتان بتوانن هۆموەرکەکانتان بەباشی بکەن و وانەکەتان باشی بخوێنن کاتێکی خۆش و ئارام بۆ ئێوەی ئازیز